For the simple interest formula, there is a formula for simple interest. It's I equals PRT. I means interest, P means principal, which is the original amount, R means interest rate, and T means time, and time is in years. Um, it's called simple interest because it's simple. In other words, you don't really need to memorize this formula. If you just remember, simple means just multiply everything together, because that's really what it just means. So we have $700 in an account, and it's going to pay a simple interest at a rate of 3%. Okay, for this percent, I'm going to ignore the percent sign for right now, and I'll show you what to do with that in a moment. And how much interest will there be in the first 3 years? So I'm just going to multiply the numbers themselves together without the zeros. So 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 3 is 63. Then you put these two zeros on the end. But because of the percent sign, you knock off the last two numbers. So this is $63. That's the answer. It's called simple interest because it's simple. You just multiply everything together. So the next one is $6,000. The simple interest rate is 4%, but again, don't mess with the percent sign for now. How much interest will be paid in the first 2 years? Okay, well, 6 times 4, I'm just doing the numbers without the zeros. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. Now put the zeros in. There are 3 of them. But because of the percent sign, you knock off the last two numbers. So $480 is the answer. Charlie deposits $400 into an account that pays simple interest at a rate of 4%. Ignore the decimal for now. The percent sign for now. How much interest will he be paid in the first 3 years? Okay, the numbers without the zeros. 4 times 4 times 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. And then you have two zeros to tag onto that. But because of the percent sign, you take off the last two numbers. So we're talking about $48.